need to do is to first press Control A to highlight your table. You understand? So Control A. So this is what I do. Control A. So what does this one do? Is to highlight your table. Yes. So that's the shortcut to highlight your table. So get this your computer. So I use it.
To
So
highlight all now. That's the short of to highlight all.
to highlight your table. So just click anywhere here
Okay.
on your table and data. Just click anywhere. Just Control A. So it's going to automatically select your table. Only where the data is. Only where the data is. So now after you done, so you go to this part called format. You drop it down. Select auto fit row and you also select auto fit cell. So this will spread your table so that you can see everything clear like this. So you can see this part before under date is showing as before. Now you can see your date clearly now without seeing that because you have auto fit using format. You format the cell by using auto fit row and also auto fit column width. Auto fit row height text. So click on this cell and also drop it down. Click on auto fit column width. So that's how to highlight your table to see your table clearly. So now let's move to the next one. I want to clean this using function in Nigeria. So in our next class, we will be cleaning our table using Power Query. So but today we want to use formula. We will learn how to use formula to clean data set. So we also learn how to use Power Query to clean data set. But after all, what's faster and good is the Power Query because that's the most advanced one currently so that you can use. But most people doesn't know how to use Power Query in the industry. So that's why I want to teach us the formula aspect first. So you will know formula aspect. So now Power Query will now be a bonus. I think what can I say? What can I call it? Like a what is it called? Tí a fi mú orí ọ̀gá wú níbi iṣẹ́ ẹ̀. So because that one is very faster. So if you want to do it, you want to use Power Query now, it's like for it because people will be looking at you. This one is very how do you do it? Because most people doesn't know much about Power Query, but Power Query, simple definition I can give, you can note it down. Is data cleaning tool is data cleansing. But the reason why I don't want to touch it today is because it's very broad. The reason, it's a whole class on its own. Because if I want to do Power Query now, we are going to load, we are going to be extracting data sets from website. So we'll be doing web scrapping. You know, you go to some big company websites like Wikipedia. I don't know if you heard about Wikipedia before. So you'll be extracting their data. You'll be pulling their data from the web and load it into Excel. So and you can now clean it and you can now build dashboard or something else out of that data set. So which I usually do for my data set. I use what is it called? On mortgages and what is it, Dangote data set. Like how do I have access to Dangote data? So that's how I go about it. You go to to their website, pull their data set, and use it for your project. So I'm going to be teaching us that next class. So let's go and produce this amazing topic today. So which is data cleaning using function in Excel. So here now you see this table here. So if you see, if you want to clean this,
Are doing
uh,
data cleaning today, right?
yeah, you are doing data cleaning part of pivot table.
Okay.
So this one now, you first highlight this part. I don't want to see under this line. I don't want to see this bracket in front. All these brackets that we're having, Amazon.com, INC. Then in front we're still having XNAS, NAS dot AMAS, AMS, ZN. So all these brackets and nonsense in the bracket, you don't want to see it in our data set. I want to remove it totally. So I now can remove that. So I like from here, from the first here. This is C3. So I like from C3. down to this part. So after highlighting it, then you go to this place called editing. You click on find and select. So when you click on find and select, you click on replace. So when you click on replace, so actually you can quickly use Control H to do that. So you see this. So when you click on replace here, you open a bracket. Then you put asterisk. Then you close the bracket. So what you are finding, you can find what? What you are finding is bracket and anything that is inside the bracket. So we want to find that. So then you replace it with nothing. You replace it with nothing. That means you don't want to see anything there again, and again. So after you open the bracket, put asterisk and close the bracket, you replace it with nothing. Then you click on replace all. So this automatically disappear all those brackets from like this. So you will not see the bracket again. So all of them are gone. So that's how to go about that. So now after you are done, you can come here in front here and insert a new column. So now that new column you insert, you can now type it client, right? Client. So now come here now. What to do again is to clean this and make it look nice. So what function we are going to be making it here is called proper. Let me write it up here so that I can see. So we are going to make it a proper function in here. So now here you press equal to and write proper. What this one do, you see what is doing now. So write equal to and write proper. So when you write proper, click on it. So you are going to see proper. In front of you are going to see text. What this one do is to restructure your text, to make your text look nice and good. So it's going to extract from that and make it starting from, if you capitalize or each word, you understand, if you capitalize each word. So Amazon now is going to be starting from capital A. You get. Let me quickly do it for you so I can see so that I will not be as I'm done talk. So now you can see now it has already turned this all this capital nonsense to this. So with well structure, you can see this is Amazon .com INC. So if you capitalize this word, I will make it look great. Like this now, you can now come here and fill it for each every other one. So now that fill it up for each every other one. So now this one now for this column you will copy it like this. Then you paste it special. You paste it as value. The reason why I'm taking as value is to remove the formula which is proper inside, so that when I come here to delete this one, so you will not be having any error. So when you delete this one now, it's going to automatically delete. So this is the well clean one, which is for the client. So but now let me assume that I did not place it as value. So I leave the function here like this. Then I come here and delete like this. You will be seeing what is going to say now. Okay. So it's showing ref. Why? Because I have not placed it as value. That means there's function there. So I have to remove that function by clicking on it like this, copy it. After copy, then I will paste it as value. So after pasting it as value, so now I can come and delete this and it's going to delete. Yeah. So that's it. So now we have this where claim, where arrange, where structure. So let's go to the next column, which is contact. So you insert a new column under this part and write contact. So yes, contact. So the function we are going to be using here is combination of two functions. So if you look at this column, you will see that we have two issues here. Number one issue is the issue of mixing letters together. Capital letter versus small letter mix up together. So and also second issue is the space issue. Look at this one now. We have space, alley, space. So here now we also have David two space or double space. Then now have Rasmussen. So now here now we have this one as a capital letter Ivan Ine. So why this one is appearing like this? So as a data analyst, you have to think. So what can I do to eliminate all these things and to restructure it. What can I do to remove space from this, and what can I do to make all the spelling right and well structured? So that's the question we are going to answer now. So now can we answer that? Let's go. So when you come into this part, you press equal to. So then first of all you write string. So what this string gives is to this one tackles space. So this one is going to remove everything called space. So now then you write proper. So don't forget to use proper here. So what does proper do? Proper restructure your text and make it all the one that have a like capital letter and small letter, it will remove all those ones and then restructure it very well. So when you close it, you press, you go and select that column. So that you are going to trim proper. You select the column, then this is D3, then you close the bracket twice, then you press enter. So after you done, you come here and fill it up. You can see that here now, the problem has been solved 100%. So no space issue again. So the space has been removed. And also the capital letter issue which you are having, capital letter, small letter issue, has been solved automatically. So if you come here now, let's say I come here, so I drag it from back. So now you have to copy again. So let me put the function we use here at the top, string together with proper. So that is the function we use here. So now you can copy this and paste it as value. Click on paste measure, then select value, click OK. So after you paste it as value, you can come here and delete it. So now this column has been well cleaned. So we have done cleaning the contact column. So and all the space totally removed. All the text issue, capital letter versus small letter, italic. So let's go to the next column, which is department. For us to solve this one, we insert a
Sorry, sorry. Can you do the hello? Sorry, please the trim proper again because I tried it and it's giving me error. So for the trim proper, you said equal trim, then open bracket proper close. Then you click on.
you will close it twice. Let me do it again. Hi there, hi there. So let's go. Let's go again. Hello, hello.
I'm here. I'm here. I'm here.
Let's
I
go
can hear
again.
you.
Let's go again. So
Okay.
press
Okay.
equal to and write string. Then you write
Okay.
proper. You select it
Okay.
again. Open bracket. Then you go and select this your column, which is
Okay. I will write proper. Then I will now open bracket. I will not close
yes,
that proper.
you close it like
Okay.
this twice. Two. I mean two times. You close the bracket.
Text.
Then you press enter.
Okay.
What do you get? It's working now.
Give me 5 seconds, please.
Uh, Look at the function at the formula bar at the top.
I'm not getting it.
Okay. All right.
So after this proper, I'll click on the text.
Yes. You open a
That
bracket
was what
and click on the text.
I'll open a bracket. Okay.
No,
Sorry.
no, you open a bracket, right
I'll
text.
open a bracket.
After I
Okay.
write text, you open a bracket first.
Okay.
Then you write
Okay.
proper,
Okay.
open a bracket. So
Then
after
you
you
close
open a
it two
bracket,
times.
Then you come and select
Correct.
this one. Then you close it 2 times.
Yeah.
Then you press enter.
I've gotten it.
So you just copy and paste as value, paste it as value. Go to paste area, select value and click OK. So after that, let me write the function
Okay,
name.
we'll paste it as value so that it will not shift, change back.
Yes, it will not be breaking error.
Okay.
I did this one for you before, but I did not put as value that is showing error. Let me show you again. So like this one now, if you come and delete like this, you that place as value. This is what I'm going to be using next.